If you've ever felt stuck or confused while trying to log into Zoho Books, stay right here because in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you the simplest, fastest, and most foolproof way to access your Zoho Books account. Whether you're brand new or you're logging in again after a long break, this guide will get you inside your dashboard in just a few clicks. Let's start with the basics. Logging into Zoho Books is super simple and the whole process takes about 5 minutes from start to finish. All you need is your registered email or your Google account. First, open any web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whatever you prefer. Now head over to the official Zoho Books website. If you can't remember the URL, don't worry. Just search Zoho Books on Google. It should appear right at the top. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner and click Sign in. Zoho Books gives you two main login options, depending on what's more convenient for you. Option 1. Use your email and password. Just enter the email you used to register and your Zoho Books password. Make sure everything is typed correctly. If you want to save time in the future, consider using a password manager. It reduces login errors and helps you log in with just one click. Option 2. Use your Google account. Simply click Sign in using Google. This is the faster method, especially if you're already logged into your Google account on that browser. If you choose Google Login, make sure the Google account you select is the same one you used to create your Zoho Books account. Zoho will ask for permission to access your Google account for authentication. Just click Allow to continue. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Zoho Books dashboard. This is where everything happens. Your invoices, expenses, financial summaries, and key metrics are all neatly organized so you can quickly manage your finances. If this is your first time logging in, take a minute to explore the interface. And if you ever get stuck, Zoho's help and support section is incredibly useful for users who have Google two-factor authentication enabled. You'll be asked to verify your identity with a code sent to your phone or authentication app. Just enter the code to proceed, and that's it. Logging into Zoho Books is straightforward, secure, and super efficient. Choose the login method that works best for you and keep your credentials safe. With regular use, accessing your account becomes completely effortless. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other tutorials for more easy tech tips. See you in the next one.